session. So today we are going to discuss about Facebook page, how to create Facebook page, and what are the different ways in which we can monetize our Facebook page. So right, if you have got a Facebook account and if you are a creator, then you should have a Facebook page there, because the videos which you are making, you should not only upload them on the YouTube, you need to upload the same videos on the Facebook as well, because there is no copyright issue if you upload your YouTube videos to Facebook page, right? So don't waste that videos. Like once you upload on the YouTube, then they are of no use, right? So you can just delete, or that data will be erased from your computer. But don't do that one. If you are a creator, then you should have a Facebook page with the same name what you have used in the YouTube as well, so that people can, you can get a traffic from Facebook and YouTube as well as. So one thing, you can just add a button onto the Facebook page. Okay, so for YouTube, then the traffic which is coming from Facebook will be redirected to the YouTube. So you can use Facebook as a secondary platform for your YouTube. Okay, so obviously you can just increase the traffic on your YouTube channel with the help of this Facebook page. And anyhow, if you have created the videos, you can just use those videos and do some extra money. Okay, so now I will talk about just a little bit about what are the different ways in which you can make some money. Okay, so the first one is, if you have got 10k followers on the Facebook, then you can monetize the Facebook videos in the same way as that of you are monetizing the YouTube videos. So that is basically showing the ads on your Facebook videos. So that is one way. The next way will be, if you have got good following, then you will be getting sponsorship offers. Okay, so a few brands, a few companies will communicate to you, and they just ask to post a banner of their company, or else you can just give a review of about their some products, or some company or app, something else like that. Okay, so you just need to do that one, like sponsorship, and that is the second way of making money out of Facebook page. And the third way will be doing affiliate marketing in the Facebook pages. So it is also allowed, guys, and you won't get any restriction on that one. So if you have got any affiliate programs like with Flipkart, Amazon, or something else, then you can take the products link from that platforms, and you can paste it in the Facebook pages. So it can also give you a good money. Okay, so these are some 2-3 points which can help you to make some extra money out of this Facebook pages. And obviously, the if you don't, if you are not able to do any of these three things, and I'm pretty sure that you will just get some extra traffic from the Facebook page to your YouTube channel, so that it can grow earlier, or it can grow bigger than what you have expected. Okay, so now I have just listed some of the advantages of creating a Facebook page. Now let us see how we can create actually the Facebook page. If you are using it in a computer, then it is good for you to do the create the page. And no problem, if you are using in phone also, you can just put it on the desktop mode, and it is same as that of the computer now. Okay, so the next step which you should follow is click on this plus icon, what you can say create, right? And you can see a page icon here. So page connect and share with customers or fans. You just tap on this one. Okay, so then you will be redirected to this page, what is where you can create your page, right? So page name, you need to give the page name here. So whatever the name you want to give, you can just give it here. So I will just give okay, so I will just give it as is it actually. Then category you have to select here. So category you can just type in there educational, then technology, information and technology, then entertainment, arts and entertainment. Okay, then you can just something like this, funny. So I'm not getting this stuff. Okay, just for fun, something like this. You can just select the categories here, whatever you want to select, or whatever the category in which you are related, right? So I can just select something like creator, video creator. Your page can have between 1 to 3 categories, right? Okay, so only 3 categories you can select here, right? So after that you need to write some description here. Hello everyone, here you will find the latest video regarding content creation and online education. Yes, so once you write all this description and other things, you can just hit this button, that is create page. Okay, so just click on this one, then a page will be created very shortly, right? So you just, as it actually was created, you can now add images or go to your page to add more details, right? So you can just add some images or some editing you can do over here, right? So you can see here profile photo it is showing. You can add a profile picture, and it is also showing the cover. So add profile picture, I will just click on this one and it will open your gallery, I hope so. Okay, so just have to wait for some time here, and I will just go to pictures and select something from this one. Okay, you can use this one, right? So now I have added a profile picture here, and then I can add a cover photo as well, that is the banner over here. So I can do it later as well, so if I don't have right now, so I'll just click on save here. Okay, so this is the next step where you will you need to add the profile picture and cover photo for your Facebook page. After that it will ask some other questions as well, so you are now interacting as is it actually. So you can see, so this page has been created here, and you can also edit from here also. Okay, so you can just click on this edit and add a photo if you want, or else you can just leave it as it is. Right, so this is all about creating a page. And if you want to invite your friends, like if you want to know your friends, I mean inform them that you have created a page, and you want to follow, you want to request them to follow your page, then you can just click on this one. I mean invite, you can just invite these friends here. Okay, and if you want to promote your page, then you can just click on this one, create ad, right? And you can also I mean create a button here, so that it can link to your YouTube account. Let me just show you how you can do that one. Okay guys, so now we will see how you can add YouTube button, right? So here you can see add a button icon here. So to add a button we need the YouTube channel link here. So how you can get that one? With the help of IT Studio. So you just go to IT Studio over here and customize channel, you just click, then you will reach here. So you can see this is the channel URL which you should copy in order to paste it on the button, right? So I already copied that one, so I'll just click on this add button here, right? So once you add click on this one, then choose the action that you want to your page visitors to take. So you want them to follow, I mean make it easy for people to follow your page, or view gift card, book now, then get quote or contact or something like this they have given, or send message. I can just make it easier for the people to follow, so I'll just click on this one. Okay, so a button has been added to your page, and that is basically the follow button I have added now. Okay, so after that you can also see something over here, scroll down below. Okay, so you can see different things. Create ad means if you want to promote your page, then you can create ads over there, or else you can complete your page information, completing your page information like add your cover and how do Facebook ad works, all those things they have given. So create an ad to promote your app or promote your page. So automatic ads are also provided by the Facebook, and ad appointment booking, something like that they have given. So you can just go through all those things, and you can see the insights of your page here. So how many people have reached, and post engagements, what have they have commented, I mean how many comments are there on your posts, and something like those things. And page likes they will be showing here. And after that, this is about section where you have description you have given. You can also enter your website if you have got one. Then you can add your phone number, you can send messages, enter email address, edit business hours, education. So like this tags are there. So I suggest you to give your email address over here, because if someone want to contact you, then they should get a email address. So I'll just give my email address here. Okay, so you can just give something like this. Right, so my page doesn't have email address. Alright, so adding an email address. Now I have added the email address successfully. So you have changed, your changes have been added successfully, right? So email address I have entered. Now you can see photos and other things, page transparency when I have created. And if you want to look at your own page as a visitor, then you can just click on this one, view as a visitor. So that means how it looks when someone sees your page. So you will get a button over here to follow, and there is a button here to like, and like you will be having a description of your page, how many people follow your page. Okay, so logo of your page, and all those informations will be available. And here you can see your email is there. So I will go out of this mode now, exit view as a visitor. And if I want to promote my page, I can just click on this one, then it will show you how you can promote. Okay, so get started with automated ads, get more website visitors, promote your app, get more something. So get started with automated ads. If I click, then it will show me the rates and all those things. I'll just click on this one, get started. So see, it will ask some questions. Do you want people to come to your business location? No, I don't want, obviously. So do you have a website? No, I don't have a website. Do you want people to contact you? No. Do you want people's contact information? No. Okay. So it's just like you can, if you are maintaining any business, you can just choose these type of things here. Okay. So if you want to promote your page, then you can obviously click on this one. Okay. So you can see estimated daily results. People reach 44 to 135 page likes, and here you can see budget 366 rupees. If you give 366 rupees, then they will make your page to reach at least 44 to 135 people and 3 to 14 likes. Right, so total budget for 5 days it will be 366. If you click on this promote now button, then you will be charged here. So you can pay it through credit card or debit card, and the complete details are given over here. Per day 73 rupees, and the duration will be something like this, and audience details, so United States, and all those things we have given. Okay, so if you want to do any of these things, then you can obviously do. Okay, so no, I don't want to save any changes here. Okay, so yes, leave this one. Okay, so now how you can create a post. So photo or video, you have to just click on this one, then it will open your computer or your gallery. So from that you can just choose something to post here. So you can post a video or audio or photo here. Right. So if you get 10,000 followers here, then you can obviously monetize this one. So this is all about how to create a page, how to set a logo, and all those things. If you like this video, please hit the like button, and if you are not still subscribed to the channel, do subscribe, because we will be adding these type of videos continuously. So thank you guys. Thanks for watching.